Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. As you all must be noticing, it's been a while since I uploaded my last video. So I'm back with a new video and I hope you all will enjoy watching this video. The girls and I are headed to the field now and I'm super excited to go fishing with them today. Come on. Are you guys excited for the day?
Yes.
So guys, we have been planning this for a while now, but their school kept us waiting. Now that they are on holiday, we are finally making it. Woo! Nhớ theo dõi hotel của tiêu tiền mà bữa. Nhớ là chưa nhé. Vô vô. Một đây. The weather is a bit gloomy today, but hoping for a good fishing day. Finally. So this will be our lunch spot for today. So the girls are gearing up for the day. Say hi.
Hi.
Unyi puto zamuro. Oh, bit no.
My name is Nidikuna.
And your class?
5.
Your class 5.
My name is Asana.
And your class?
4.
Class 4. And she
Hello,
is?
my name is Niprunguna Vikre.
Okay. Let's go. 뭐 어떻게 습이라고 는 뭐지? 지난해 레트스 들려 뭐. After a while, I got one snail again. Jaiga. Ni ma. Ni ma ni.
Let's go here.
Where?
Here.
Kikwa. Koko naruh ko dah.
Where are you must dress?
Oh, dulu perasan naik. Perasan na. Kalau perasan, balas sebab. So, I figured that when a person in a family goes for fishing, the family relies on him or her for the dinner. So basically, we are fighting for our family's dinner tonight. Let's see how it goes. Let's go check out their cage. Yeah, that's legend. Ha. Kokile. This yang mana nasa? Ha. Wow. Look at this. Kang kucura. Guys, 2 hours done, but my cage is not increasing anymore. I can see so many people fishing here today, and we are some of them. Oh, what is that? 맞지? 할일지. Shabilanola. Coconut is fighting for tonight's dinner. Terima. Musalem ni zama sana. Television rani. Television ni.
बहुत थक गया यार लेकिन अभी खाना खाने के मन नहीं है मैं थोड़ा आराम करेगा
Hi. Let's have some fun. Coconut. Oh, kishi. So guys, sliding is a must when you are here.
Okay.
Chalo. Some of us are getting hungry, so let's go have our tiffin now. Lajano.
Bye bye.
Okay. Tiffin 주더래 의미도 모르. 저 생이 tiffin 수가.
안다.
코코넛 저 왜? 아사나로.
안다.
되고 됐니 왜?
하나 포기하냐?
코 때문에 해. 이거 잘.
너 같은 게 생각.
어. 이게. 아까 그 위에 그 밑에 들리다.
왜?
소소를. 자꾸로 커져. 저 비슷하지. 소소자 비슷하지. One down.
나는 그때 가지 들려면은 그런 들이 그거 가라.
Fish window. What is that?
딱지 넣어서 대세야. 뭐가 지금 집에 주소 쓰다가 이거 보다가 안 봐. 해봤지 그러고.
Look at some parts of our village from where we are. It goes up to that point. That point, yes.
बहुत अच्छा है आज तो अभी तो आज का दिन जैसा नहीं मिलेगा आज तो हम लोग 4 लोग बहुत खुश हो गया देखो ये आपका है
और भी पकड़ेगा ना नहीं पकड़ेगा
मेरे लिए तो और भी पकड़ने के मन है
ठीक है
चुप खेलने भी हो
So we are all neighbors, right?
या
Right.
Yes.
We are all neighbors and we have been discussing to go for fishing like every time we met, and then we are so happy that we are able to make it today.
ठीक है तो आपका सब्जी क्या है
आज का दिन कैसा लगा आप लोग?
बहुत खुश है इसलिए आज हमारा दिन बहुत खुश है अब दोनों कैसा है
खुश ना आप दोनों भी?
खुश है.
So guys, we really had a wonderful time together and now it's time for us to go home. So thank you all for watching and I hope you all have enjoyed watching our video as much as we did in making this video. Bye!
Bye.
Just no bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.